Hi there, how are you? It is me, teacher, to being Ireland in Borgenland, Austria. Uh, my all my Almighty God, please um, your time is the eternity, peace and prosperity wherever you are. After the opening prayers, um, I would like I would like to give you an another lesson, another lesson about our Somali learning program. Last week we have learned how to pronounce the syllables, how to pronounce the syllables of B and vowels, right? Today we shall go further, and our Somali is progressing. Um, so please take the lessons, the lessons in order. Today we gonna see how T and vowels, T and vowels, how they interact. Ta and vowels, okay, like we did before, like we did last week. We place short or long vowel after and before T. Okay, so there is no IPA equivalent. So I think you can get it despite that. It's like this. Now I put short vowel after T, 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 T. I and place my tongue on my gum, the gum behind the two front teeth. You understand? Simply I put my tongue on the gum behind my front two teeth. Like this. It's tongue. It is my tongue. I put it on my gum behind my upper front teeth. Like this. You don't treat the Somali words like the English or any IPA applied language. You understand? Alright, I'm here to leave a very historic legacy for all of you. I'm employing patience. So look at my mouth. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Very simple, right? Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Um, ta, te, ti, to, tu. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. So this is what you can possibly see in Somali words. All right. At the end, I shall explain. A song written by me. A song written by me. Alright, I shall explain it for further simplification. Now that I have placed short and long after T, now let us place and short or long before the T or ta, as you know. At, it, ought, would. I repeat it again. It is at, it, ought, and would. At, it, right? So please look at these words. It is a song written by me. Don't get confused of these, you know, of these of this discovery. It has been discovered, it has been look at these words. It's song written by me. Dhalanteed dhalanteed ha u malayn dhalinkii ku doortaa kaa dhammaanin dhan kastoo aadana inta wax aragti adiga ka muuqday dhabtii waxaa tahay dhir mir macaaniyo dhegtayda noloshii. You see how I am reading the Somali language. So this is legal way. So I think many people interest to interact Somali people legally, You see, you can try to speak like the native one. So please, I said dhalanteed, 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 dhalanteed. This means you don't think, as a delivered one. Don't think it has delivered the youth that chose you, never get you over it. The meaning of the Somali words can be gotten in any language, you see. So dear brothers and sisters, wherever you are, I like you so much, my elder brothers. Just I said dhalanteed, dhalanteed. Here in this word we have an and T coming at the center of a Somali word, you see. So last lesson we have said you close the first one, right? You close the first one and the next one shall depend on the following vowel. That's it. Just free merge for all, you see. Just free merge for all. I think such level can be reached within about dhalanteed. This is dhalanteed how malaynine. Don't think it as a delivered. In the future, we shall study how how D and H interact with each other, and how da da and vowels, how they interact. You see, da, de, di, do, do. That's what we shall see in the future. You see, quruxdaada nuurayse isku dheelitiran baa niyadeeda raacay. Dhawaanada wejigeena adiga ku dhigano igu daawacana aniye. Dadkii waxaad tahay dhir mir macaaniyo dhirteeda nolosha. I thank you so much for watching. Finally, I hereby give you some examples of T and vowel. Tartan, competition, and timir, date, pasto, pasto. You see, we have here